Hey everyone! Ever been stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire and no help in sight? Well, those days are over. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 portable tire inflators of 2025, the ultimate lifesavers for your car. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, these gadgets are a must-have. And trust me, the number 1 pick will shock you. Don't go anywhere, all the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Slime Cordless Pro Power Tire Inflator. Right out of the gate, the Slime Cordless Pro Power Tire Inflator impressed us with a handy carrying case and compact build. To add on to that, a flexible 15-foot hose is included for insane levels of reach. But the little slime wasn't done impressing us yet. Once we hooked it up to the tire and ran our inflation tests to 30 psi, and then up to 45 psi, the times were shocking for such a small tool, good enough for third best, behind the mighty Milwaukee M18 and the Viair, while boasting the long hose and compact size those two lack. The digital display was simple to use, and the clamp-on valve connector made it easy to attach. Perhaps the only place this inflator falls short is battery life. After our 10 to 45 site test, the readout displayed half capacity remaining. To solve this, you can power the inflator via your vehicle's 12-volt plug with a 9'8" cord. Number 2. The Zeus Air Jump Starter / Inflator. Some of us own power banks, jump starters, and tire inflators, but why not just combine them into one tool? Enter the Zeus, a handy multi-tool in the world of tire inflators. Along with its inflator function, the Zeus includes a 15,000 mAh jump starter and 2 ports, one USB-C and one USB-A. That's handy, to be sure, but we're here to test tire inflators. The Zeus did indeed hold its own when pumping up flat tires. It's the 4th fastest inflator we've tested, just behind the big Milwaukee, the Slime, and the Viair, and the interface is easy to use thanks to its buttons and easy-to-read screen, even in bright sun. Those are all wins in our book. The 24-inch hose is a tad short, particularly for vehicles with larger tires, but it's livable if you are fortunate enough to be able to get the valve stem rotated around. Number 3. DEWALT 20V Max Tire Inflator. DEWALT is a reputable name in the tool world, and the DEWALT 20V Max Tire Inflator is a solid entry for the brand. Featuring both a high-pressure hose for tire inflation and a larger, flexible hose for air mattresses, the inflator seems handy to keep around for a multitude of tasks. Our favorite part was the tactile turnstile size selection wheel, and we couldn't help but imitate a DJ's WW Wiki as we spun it back and forth. Once hooked up, the inflator holds its own, producing decent times to both 30 and 45 psi. Number 4. Viair 88P Corded Portable. The neo-industrial design of this miniature workhorse is a delight to both hold and look at. Unfortunately, it's not quite as satisfying to work with. Let's be clear, the Viair 88P is incredibly fast at inflating tires. We were blown away, sorry again, by the performance of this device. In fact, next to the monster from Milwaukee in our lead image above, no other compressor in our test came close to inflating our test tire as quickly as the Viair. However, its sole power supply, alligator clips that connect directly to the car battery, and old-school dial gauge keep the Viair 88P from being the ideal car tire inflator for the everyday driver. For the time being, anyway. Viair built its trusted reputation on its high-quality industrial and commercial air compressors, and the 88P is, in form and function, a scaled-down version of one of those. But why the seemingly outmoded power hookup? Why the quaint but wonky analog gauge? We didn't want to fault a company we know and trust without hearing its side of the story, so we reached out. Number 5. Milwaukee M12 Compact Inflator. We love the Milwaukee M18 inflator so much that we decided to try out its little sibling, the M12. Its smaller size results in lower performance numbers, but its compact design is a saving grace. Like the M18, the M12 has an intuitive interface, allowing you to set the pressure and walk away. However, the inflation time from 10 to 30 psi is just respectable, and it's a bit noisy. It also bears noting that the M12 is Milwaukee's least powerful cordless battery system. The Milwaukee cordless power tools in most garages use the stronger, longer-lasting M18 battery. So, which portable tire inflator are you grabbing for your car? Whether it's the Power Pack #1 pick or the budget-friendly option, these inflators are total game changers. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more life-saving gear reviews. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep rolling.